The Colosseum battle is now at its final stage. A stronger opponent is going to appear. Both corners are full of energy, so we're sure to see a great battle. And now, the battle begins. A fierce blow. Such amazing power. Mantine restored its health and feels the relief. Earthquake tears open the ground. It's down already. What an impressive attack! That dealt some massive damage! A fierce blow! Such amazing power! Slammed him! It couldn't survive the second hit and goes down. The blue corner won the first round. That's a smooth start. The second set of Pokémon have appeared. Zapped by Thunderbolt. It's down already. A light hit! Gastrodon cannot move! Gastrodon restored its health! Magmortar starts to attack! Zapped by Thunderbolt! A huge amount of damage! It's down! Game, set, and match! It's a total victory for the blue corner.